Hello students, in this tutorial I will explain you about the spline modeling. Okay, spline in the sense of shape modeling. So it is mainly used for the architectural, creating wall, windows and some other object. Okay, first of all I created one line, one rectangle. So after that I'm going to convert this one into a spline, converted into a spline. So once you converted a rectangle into a spline, in modify you will find out vertex, segment and a spline. So there is three options. Is that vertex in the sense of moving, and segment in the sense of spline in the sense of there is a complete the overall that line selected, segment in the sense of a particular line. Okay, right now I selected a spline, then shift and scale. Okay, so after scaling, so I can move it anywhere inside of the previous rectangle. So I scale it this much, then I'm going to duplicate again, shift and move. I selected spline, so again I duplicated, again I selected 3 spline, then move it down, again move it down. Okay, so once you do all these things, go to in modifier list, there is an option name called extrude. Click on extrude. So once you extrude and go to the mesh mode with F3, F4, line plus mesh mode. Okay, so in the amount I am going to increase the amount right now. So right now the spline converted the spline into extrude. In the spline you can delete. Once you just check it out, I deleted a spline right now. So right now you can find out the difference. The spline you can copy inside a number of splines. Also possible to delete and edit. All the options are available. So right now I created a basic window in the help of just a rectangle. On that rectangle I copied that spline into many rectangles. Okay, I created one more rectangle spline. Okay, click on the spline option in editable spline. So I'm going to create a circle, copying, 2 more. Okay, scaling a little more. Now I am copying down 3 more times. So 1 more time. Again I'm scaling a little bit more. I'm selecting 3 spline here. Again I'm moving down, copy. Okay, I'm selecting that one, and there is an option called attach. So I am attaching that rectangle into circle. So the spline, we can possible to attach any other different kind of shapes. Okay, so once you attach all these things, again I'm going to click on the extrude. Right now you got the good shape here. So any number of amount you can decrease the depth. So we can make it n number of different kind of designs in the help of spline modeling. So it is very helpful while you doing the architectural interior design or different kind of window design or door design. Right now I'm creating one window design with the help of a rectangle spline. I converted a rectangle into a spline. Okay, so this one, for example, a door and window, not taken any measurement here, just I created a basic rectangle shape, then I copied inside with the window. So when you're making an interior scene, that time you can use the tape option, inches, the similar kind of changes you can make it. So the spline is much famous and there is a good option in 3ds Max. If we're talking about the architectural and interior and exterior design purpose, so it is more helpful. So spline modeling. Okay, I'm going to create one more design. So inside I created one star. Okay. Convert it to editable spline. Then there is an option called attach. Right now I'm attaching that rectangle to the star. So I'm copying. 3 times copied. Okay. So in this way we can make n number of designs. See, you got the good shape here. So the amount, how much the depth is needed. So like that similar kind of shapes we can make it in the help of line, circle, arc, star, etc. So again, I'm making one more shape related for the window. Okay, scaling, and how much you needed, that much you can scale it down, copy down. Okay, again I'm scaling that spline, moving spline here. Okay, extrude. So you can check it with the good shape. I'm shift and scaling one more outside. So now we got the very good shape. So similar kind of techniques you can use and practice with the reference. You can take it the different kind of a reference from Google, that picture. So you can import here. For importing, I will explain. I will tell you maybe in the next tutorial about how to import image and all. So you can import different kind of reference image into 3ds Max. Then you can make it with a good shape in the help of spline modeling. This one is another shape. Copying.